Hey everyone, welcome to the Brothers Art Hub. Today we're gonna use the 3D pen to trace a butterfly, and it comes with these filaments. Please don't touch the tip, it's very hot. This is the controller speed. This is when you want this filament to go, like you want to replace it with a new filament. This is where you take the filament out and you use it to trace. You put in the filament in here and you plug it in here. As soon as you plug it, you have to wait for it to turn green. It might take a while. If it doesn't work, the charge is not strong enough. If you're interested, follow along with me. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for having fun like I did. Please like and subscribe and see you soon!